how to open the hood of your Buick Lacrosse and probably other Buick models. So go in the footwell driver's side and pull this latch. And now let's go in the front. You see, this is the Buick logo over here. You'll need to put your fingers, find the latch. Okay, I found it, and push it towards the right side. All right, let me do it. I push the latch and I lift the hood. This is how it looks. Okay, by pushing the latch, you'll unlock the hood and it will go up. You don't have any prop rod on this vehicle. It's all hydraulic. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.